Would rather, your handy tool to express preference. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our series on expressing likes and dislikes in English. Today, we're going to learn how to use the phrase, would rather, to express our preferences. This is a great tool that will make your English conversations more natural and fluent. Let's dive right in. The phrase, would rather, is used when we want to express that we prefer one thing over another. It's a handy way to express our likes and dislikes without sounding too direct or forceful. Here's a simple structure. I would rather do this than do that. For example, I would rather read a book than watch TV. Here, the speaker prefers reading a book over watching TV. Notice that we use the base form of the verb after, would rather, and then, is used to compare the two activities. We mostly use would rather in the present to talk about our current preferences, but we can also use it in different tenses to talk about past events or future preferences. Present, I would rather eat pasta than pizza. Past, I would rather you had not eaten all the cookies. Future, I would rather you didn't go to the party tomorrow. Remember, when talking about past events or future preferences, the verb form changes after would rather, just as it would with other conditional statements. You can also use would rather in questions and negative statements. Questions: would you rather have coffee or tea? Negative statements: I wouldn't rather go to the gym. I want to stay home and relax. Now, it's time to practice. Here are some examples. 1. I would rather go for a walk than sit at home. 2. Would you rather eat out or cook at home? 3. He would rather play football than basketball. 4. She wouldn't rather study tonight. She wants to go to the party. Try to make some sentences of your own using would rather. Practice makes perfect. And that's it for today. We hope that this video has helped you understand how to use would rather to express your preferences. Keep practicing, and you'll be expressing your likes and dislikes like a native English speaker in no time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy learning!